Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and welcome to my 5 top best soldering iron produced video review. Number 1. JCD8898 Soldering Station 750W. The JCD8898 Soldering Station 750W is a high-performance, all-in-one soldering and rework tool designed for electronics repair and precision work. Featuring a powerful 750W output, rapid heating system, and adjustable temperature control, it ensures efficient soldering on various materials. The ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended use, while the digital display allows for precise temperature monitoring. Ideal for hobbyists, engineers, and repair professionals seeking reliability and accuracy. Number 2. DM9 Digital Microscope with 7-inch IPS Screen. The DM9 digital microscope with 7-inch IPS screen offers crystal clear magnification and detailed viewing for electronic inspection, jewelry analysis, and scientific research. With its large 7-inch high-resolution IPS display, users can observe micro details with vibrant clarity. The adjustable stand. Number 3. Cinder MIG Welder 5-in-1 Plastic Welding. The Cinder MIG Welder 5-in-1 plastic welding machine delivers ultimate versatility for both metal and plastic welding applications. Equipped with multiple welding modes including MIG, TIG, stick, flux, and plastic welding, this tool is built for efficiency and durability. The intuitive digital interface and stable arc performance make it easy for beginners and experts alike. A powerful choice for automotive. Number 4. FNERC HS02 Adjustable Temperature Soldering Iron. The FNERC HS02 Adjustable Temperature Soldering Iron is a compact yet powerful tool built for precision soldering. Featuring adjustable temperature control and fast heating capability, it allows you to work efficiently with different soldering materials. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort, and the LCD display provides accurate temperature readings. Ideal for Number 5. JCD Electric Soldering Iron 80W LCD. The JCD Electric Soldering Iron 80W LCD combines high power and intelligent control for professional-grade soldering. It's designed for both beginners and professionals. It offers precision, comfort, and reliability for all types of soldering and repair tasks. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description.